Hi guys, this is spreadsheet. I'm just going to go through basic functions, what each and every single thing is. This is same as Microsoft Word, but this is very detailed. This is all about maths and calculation. If you've got a lot of numbers to type up, and then you're in the right program. Basically, this A, B, C, D, E, F, G is just like a little, it seems very straightforward. It's just all the cells. But obviously people who do day in day out banking and calculation, they will understand the importance of these cells. This is why it's different than Microsoft Word. And these numbers, it's very cleverly designed. Whoever's done it, they've done absolutely fantastic job, and they made life, billions and billions of life, easy by having this sort of software. And indeed, without doubt, if this software wasn't here, then we would be, God knows what system we would be using in order to function big bank accounts and big services. Anyway, so just like Microsoft Word, it's got all the features like home, and this is little extra bit. This thing, it does everything that goes on. All the information goes on here. It gives you values, and sometimes, for example, let me just say, if I got numbers here 2 3, there's no decimals coming up. Yep, just a 55. If I want to add more decimals, you highlight it and then click on there, and it gives you all the decimals. Then you can reduce extra decimal from the list. So as you can see, all these bits and bobs in here. Conditional formatting, this is very complicated, but one day I will go through what it does. Yeah, you can do a lot of stuff with these programs. This menu here, fill, if you look at it, if you click on here, highlight it and go to fill, and if you tell them you want to fill series, what you want to do, date, autofill, weekdays, weekly, how often you want to do it, so you can just put autofill, okay, so it automatically populates all the days. Yeah, you can easily create calendars and a lot of information. But I use this program to do a lot of online stuff. You can have like Google Sheets. If you go into Google, you can have your sheets. So Google also has this function. So if you go to the Google website, you don't have to have Microsoft's everywhere wherever you go. But if you have Gmail, this is the beauty of having Gmail account. If you have Google Mail, then you can do all this into Google Documents. So if I just go into Google, if you go into this icon, scroll down, Sheets, there you go. It's all online. You can create your own stuff.